Hi there, Mark Jones here again from getfreshops.com. And today we're talking about building a team of superstars. Hopefully you've seen that article in the InClean magazine through Australia and New Zealand. And look, everyone agrees they want to have an amazing team. And yet so many business owners will talk about building that team as being possibly their biggest challenge, particularly as you get past sort of 5+ team members. And today we're talking about building a team of superstars. So how do you identify, select, and then give feedback and maintain excellence as your team is growing? And some of what we're going to talk about today in this article is really talking about selection. And to select your team well, you have to be very clear about what you're looking for. And so what we've provided you with today's article is a downloadable document which is creating your superstar avatar. An avatar is an example of the sort of personality traits and styles and thinking of the person you're looking for. And so we've created that avatar worksheet to help you sit down and think about what are all the things that your staff do that you love, the things your staff do that you wish they could do better, and some of the character traits, behaviors, and personality sort of expressions that you'd like to see in more of your team. If you can be clear about that, then you're going to be clear when it comes to articulating that to your team. And so we've done up that avatar worksheet to help you think about that for the key roles in your business. From that worksheet, you'll then use that in your selection process, in your position descriptions, and then in turn, ultimately, it becomes part of your compliance. So what are the things you're expecting your team to do that you're now able to review and provide them feedback on? And then how do you give that regular and constructive feedback? And ultimately, how do you involve the whole team in that to help shape the roles that you're committing to, the work you're committing to, and making sure the team know exactly what they need to do. So I hope you love the article, hope you get something from it. And of course, as always at getfreshops.com, we're keen to see our clients excel, exceed, and build wonderful teams that go out and do amazing work. So feedback's welcome, any questions welcome, and love to hear from you and your thoughts on today's article. Thank you.